Let us solve the following system of linear inequality. We'll begin by considering the first inequation. Here we have 5x minus 7, that's less than 3 times x plus 3. So let's multiply it to get 3x plus 9. Now we will transpose negative 7 to the right hand side to get 5x less than 3x plus 9 plus 7, which gives us 5x less than 3x plus 60. Now we'll transpose 3x to the left hand side to get 5x minus 3x less than 16. So 5x minus 3x will be 2x. So we have 2x less than 16. Now we'll divide both sides with a positive 2. That means if we divide both sides with positive 2, we'll get x less than 8. So here, since we have divided by a positive number 2, the sign of the inequality does not change. That means, let me state the fact here, a property of inequality. That means if we have a less than b, and we have a number c which is a positive number, then if we divide a with this positive number c and also b with the same positive number c, then the sign of the inequality does not change. That means a over c will be less than b over c. Let's label this as number 1, solution number 1. Now we'll go to the second inequality. So here we have 1 minus 3 over 2x greater than or equals to x minus 4. Well, let's write it down. 1 minus 3 over 2x greater than or equals to x minus 4. We'll transpose 1 to the right hand side. So this gives us negative 2 over 2 times x greater than or equals to x minus 4 minus 1. So that will be equals to negative 3 over 2 times x greater than or equals to x minus 5. Now we'll transpose x from the left hand side to the right hand side. So that gives us negative 3 over 2x minus x greater than or equals to negative 5. So we'll combine the two terms. So this gives us negative 5x over 2 greater than or equals to negative 5. Now we want to make the coefficient of x equals to 1. For that we will have to multiply both sides with negative 2 over 5. But here we have to be careful because we are multiplying by a negative number. So that means, let's say if a is greater than or equals to b and we have a number c which is a negative number less than 0, then if we multiply a with c with the negative number c and also b with the same negative number c, then the sign of the inequality changes. That means we will have ac less than or equals to bc. So when we multiply both sides with negative 2 over 5, so we will get x less than or equals to, so the sign of the inequality change, and this will be equals to 2. We'll have x less than or equals to 2. Now we need to find a solution which is common to both 1 and 2. For that we are going to consider a number line. On the number line we will consider 2 and 8. So x less than 8 means we have to consider all the values of x which is less than 8. So that means it's going to have all the values of x which is lying to the left of x equals to 8. Here 8 is not a part of the solution, so I have used a bubble here and it goes all the way up to negative infinity. Then from 2 we have x less than or equals to 2. That means we'll have to consider all the values of 2 including 2 and lying to the left of x equals to 2, and it goes all the way up to negative infinity. Now from the graph we can see that this is the region which is common to both the two solutions. That this is going to be a common solution that satisfies our given linear inequality. So if we write it in the interval form, so our solution will be from negative infinity to 2. Negative infinity by definition is unbounded, so we'll use an open interval, but x equals to 2, the endpoint is a part of the solution as gets stated by number 2. So we'll use a closed interval. So negative infinity to 2, this is going to be a solution to the system of linear inequality.